Hi everyone, myself Shardul with Tushar, Abhishek and Neha are here to give you a brief demonstration of our application iPaint for CS588. Let me just quickly launch the application. iPaint is an application through which you can draw on the computer screen using your iPhone. For that you need to connect your iPhone to the computer screen. This is the login screen. You connect to the computer by entering its IP address. You can notice as I press the buttons change color to give the user the visible feedback of which button he has pressed. So I enter the IP address and I connect. This is the main screen of our application. As soon as you touch on the screen, the point would be transferred over the Wi-Fi to the computer screen. To let the user know where he touched, the pin option is drawn. Now since when you are touching it, you won't be able to see where exactly you have touched, we have a small ripple effect onto the screen. You see, the ripple effect is there. To draw using iPaint, you tap on the screen and move towards left to draw left, towards right to draw on the right side, down to draw down, and up to draw up. On this screen, we have three major buttons: the undo button, the new canvas button, and the settings button. The undo button would undraw the last shape you have drawn on the screen. The new canvas button would clear the canvas both on the iPhone side and on the computer side. The settings button is the place where you can choose options to draw. Let us quickly revisit the settings option. On the settings page, we have three different kinds of options you can choose from. You can choose the shape, the color, and the size of the brush. On the shape, you have the standard shape as line, the oval, the box, and a freehand drawing curve. The last option allows you to fill the shape while you are drawing it. This is applicable for the rectangle shape and the oval shape. On line shape, once you click on the screen, you can draw on both the direction by moving the phone. On oval, the point you click would be the top left corner, and you can increase the size by moving the phone as explained. For freehand drawing, you just touch on the screen and move the phone so that you get a freehand curve on the screen. Next we come to the color options. You can choose the color by using the standard red, green or blue colors, or you can choose the color by using the color mixer option or pick the color from the image. So when you choose a color, the button gets highlighted and your choice is registered. If you want to choose a custom color from the color mixer, you click on the color mixer icon. It opens a color mixer with red, green and blue components along with the transparency. So suppose I want to choose color yellow. I put the blue to the minimum and double tap it to go back to the previous screen. Similarly, you can choose the color from the images which are loaded into the application. You click on the image color picker, you get three different options as in applications. Let us choose theme 4. Now suppose I like the color of the jacket which Tushar is wearing, so I'll just click on it. The pin would show that color, which color point I have touched, and pick up that color. And if I click back, it would come back to the drawing screen. Now suppose you have drawn on the screen and now you want to clear everything. You can use the new canvas button here. The new canvas button would actually give you an effect of shattering of the canvas and bringing up a new one. On the computer side, the whole screen would be clear. So once you start drawing, now you want to clear it. You can either use the new canvas button, which I just explained, or you can just shake the phone and the canvas would be reloaded. The undo option, as I explained, would undo the last shape you have drawn on the screen. To clear everything, as explained, you just shake the phone. On the settings page, the last option you can choose is the width of the brush with which you can draw on the screen. We are providing you with 4 options, ranging from very small to around 10 pixels in brush width. The last button is the back button, which would take you back to the home screen. So this is iPaint. Thank you very much.